Hi friends, take a piece of cardboard and a carbon paper. Trace your pattern into the cardboard. Keep your block on a glass surface and start to cut it using a paper cutter. Make sure which parts you are going to remove in the cardboard as you might damage the design. Place the glue side down of the interfacing fabric and the other side or the wrong side of the silk fabric on top of it as in the video. Remember to keep it on the glass top. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Take safety measures when working with the soldering iron. Always return the soldering iron to its stand when not in use. Never put it down on your workbench.